Hi there. Today I wanted to do a little video on resistant bands. We use them in yoga, Pilates, strength training, body conditioning, and there's a lot of confusion on how to hold it. So we get a lot of people that rub their skin in between the thumb and the pointing finger and it gets really uncomfortable. This is really good for people with arthritis, carpal tunnel, but then when you hold it incorrectly, it actually irritates it more. So first thing is you want to wrap the strap around you like you're gonna tie a belt. You want the strap to come out at the thumbs, okay, on each side. The closer you bring your hands in, the harder it's gonna be. The farther you bring your hands out, the easier it's gonna be. For some, this is easy, it's common sense, but for others, this is actually really hard. I spent a lot of time in class trying to explain this, and so I thought making a video might make it a little bit easier. I'm gonna give you 3 exercises to practice at home so that these resistant bands can get easier. We would like to start using them in class more often through the spring and the summer seasons. It just really helps get those muscles toned for the bathing suit, all the activities you do outside. And so, first things first, finding the resistance. Okay, I stand with my feet hip width apart. Take your band starting off low and then rise it up. You want to make sure that the band is kind of hiding between your hands along the arms. Okay, look side to side just for a moment to make sure it's enough resistance. You should be able to bring your elbows in and press them back out. They shouldn't jerk really fast. Okay, so one more time, looking side to side, acknowledging those muscles, making nice fists. Now I'm gonna go up and down. Notice my wrists don't change. The band moves with my hands. Okay, I'm keeping my arms nice and strong, all the way up, all the way back down. Okay, doing this about 10 times, inhaling as you move, exhale as you move. Okay, we'll do 4 more. Inhale, exhale. If you feel like it's too much, just move your hands out a little bit and make it a little easier on yourself. And down. We'll do 2 more. Inhale, lifting. Exhaling down. Inhale, lifting. And last time, exhale down. So we're gonna go up 5 times. Inhale as you lift. Exhale, drop. Inhale, lift. Exhale, drop. Inhale, lift, exhale, drop. 2 more. Good job. And then you're gonna go all the way up. Check your wrists, make sure they're not bending. Nice and strong. Take a deep breath in, exhale all the way down. Inhale up, exhale down. If you need to, only go halfway. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Should feel lovely about now. And hold. Last one we're gonna do today is twisting. Okay, so keep your upper body nice and straight. You're twisting at the belly button. Back and forth. And then drop your band. Roll your wrist. Swing your arms around, let the hips rotate a little bit. And I like to do at least 1 stretch after doing the resistant band. Even if you only did 3 exercises, still stretch. Take your arm across, spread your fingers wide, look to the right. Exhale, look to the left. Inhale, look right. Exhale, let it drop. Rotate the elbow back. Rolling the shoulder. Other side, look to the left. Inhale, look to the right. Exhale, look to the left. Once more, inhale. Exhale. Rotate the elbow, roll it back. Rolling that shoulder. Using both elbows forward and back. Good job. Hopefully you were able to take some of what I did today to further your knowledge in strength training and safety with the bands. The more you use them, the easier it gets. At first, you're going to be a little sore, but it'll go away, promise. Namaste.